What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Swerve back in town with another video. Best G30 out in the world. Today's video, we're gonna do a little, I think it's been officially a year. It's probably been a year and some change since I bought this car. Maybe a year since I got it tuned. I don't know, y'all can fact check me on the tune video. But we in April, so I feel like it should be around this time, maybe June. But yeah, my overall review of me having this car for over a year. So yeah, as y'all know, or may not know if this is y'all first time to the channel, this is a BMW 2020 G30 M550i with a N63 engine. So, as you may know, V8s can cause a lot of issues. So that's why I'm here to let y'all know the reviews of me having this car for a year now. If y'all are interested in buying a M550 with a V8, I know y'all hear all the problems about the N63 engine, this, that, and the third. But me personally, I haven't had any major issues with this car, bro. I haven't had any major issues. So today's video, we're here to review our year breakdown since I got the car, every issue I've had, how much it cost me. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications if y'all are new to the channel. I'm currently heading to a spot to like record some content, some videos. So I'm gonna just wait till I get there and get started on this video. But as of right now, let me know if y'all fuck with this angle. I fuck with this POV. This is something different. I feel like I never seen nobody on YouTube do this little POV right here. So yeah, I feel like I'm one of the greats at this point. You can see me down in the back windshield. But yeah, I feel like I'm one of the greats. Cause like, I feel like the more time you give me on this YouTube shit, the more comfortable I'm gonna get. And that's when we're really gonna start taking off. Cause I love to try stuff. Like this is just me exploring, seeing what works and seeing what doesn't work, you know? So if y'all fuck with it, let me know. Y'all see this POV more often. But as you can see, this red bar, I'm 4 minutes away in traffic. So yeah, right now I'm gonna just drive, play music. Who knows if I speed up this part? Because obviously, y'all all the way in the back, I don't have a remote to start and stop recording. So this shit is gonna keep recording until I stop this car and stop the video. So let me just play some music, 4 minutes away, and then I'll tell you all the reviews and the cost of every issue I've ever had with this vehicle. Yeah, so we made it to the little location that I said I was talking about. Sun is hitting different, but yeah, now to break down the overall year review after the tune and everything and just purchasing the vehicle itself. The very first issue that I could remember, it only happened because I had wrapped my roof black. Then a few days later, I got a car wash and water leaked into the antenna, which triggered the EOS emergency call button thing up there, which allowed it to just keep calling and calling and calling. So I had to get that fixed. I went to BMW to service that.
Just wanted to let you know that we did notice that this was loose and a bunch of water got inside by the emergency call module, and it shorted out the module. So I'd highly recommend just replacing the shark fin and the emergency call module. Other than that, that seems to be your problem. A bunch of water got inside. Other than that, that's my conclusion. As you can see, there's a bit of corrosion on the module, the white stuff right there. So yeah, that's what I recommend.
That shit cost me a lot of money. Just to replace the module itself from the water damage was like $3,200 to replace that. So that was my first ever issue with the car. My second issue was, let me think. I have to think about these things. I don't have much issues with the car. Yo, my fault, y'all. My camera had fucking died. But my next issue was before I went and got my car tuned, I actually had an issue with my starter. So my car starter went out. My car wasn't starting at all. Like probably at the tuning shop when it was ready to get moved in and all that. My car wasn't turning on. I think I may still have the video of how it was sounding. I'll put it right here if I could find it. That issue, I forget how much I paid. Somewhere around $1,000 for a new starter. But to be honest, I think those 2 issues are the only 2 issues I've ever had with my car. That might have been it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Everything else was just basic maintenance. I recently got my brake fluid changed, which cost me about $150. Spark plugs, obviously, for any misfires with the tune. I need to buy some new ones because I think it's been I definitely think I put 10,000 miles up. So I might want to replace it, just, you know, preventative maintenance, shit like that. But other than that, those are the 2 issues. I never had any coolant issues, surprisingly. No line leaks, anything like that, nothing, to be honest. So I don't know if I'm just lucky or I'm not beating the shit out of my car. Yeah, everything else, preventative maintenance. As long as you just stick with the preventative maintenance and make sure you're not obviously beating the living hell out of your car. And also, my car was bought at 22,000 miles. So right now we're at 40,000. Well, 39 and some change, almost 40,000. And yeah, no issues, no big issues whatsoever, bro. Not a single big issue. But when I had those issues, they cost me a pretty penny. So yeah. I'm gonna go get my transmission fluid changed very soon. Because currently, I don't know if you guys ever had this issue, but like if I'm in low gear in comfort and I like step on the gas a little bit, my car will like kind of jitter. Like it'll like jitter to try to get up. And I think that's a transmission fluid problem that a couple of the G30s are having due to me looking shit up. So, sorry, the transfer case fluid. Sorry, no transmission fluid, the transfer case. Other than that, no serious maintenance yet. Crossing my fingers, don't want to jinx anything, obviously. Because we're having some good luck with this car. Because I've seen people tell me, yo, had all my lights come up when I bought the car, and like within the first week. I don't know if that's just his luck where he bought it from, but yeah, I was currently taking pictures. ND filter on the iPhone, you know, we gotta get the content flowing for y'all, man. But yeah, that is my summary of my year review. I don't know if you want to use me as a credible source. Go get you that M550 if you want one. Yeah, no issues with me here. 20,000 miles. Going on to 40. Only issue I had was the starter. Other than that, that EOS shit was, I said EOS. I don't know why I keep saying EOS. SOS. The SOS thing was because of the wrap shop I went to. Other than that, no issues so far. Not a single fucking issue. That being said, currently 7 o'clock. Sun is setting. About to go shoot some content. And I'm gonna be back with y'all niggas, man.